Heating and air conditioning systems become dirty over time, causing air quality issues such as particles blowing out and higher energy costs as the systems struggle to heat or cool the air with components that are insulated with dirt. Poorly maintained systems may also be associated with increased risk for illness and absenteeism. Since 1978, Action Duct Cleaning has been cleaning commercial heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems throughout California and the western states. We are fully licensed and insured and members of the National Air Duct Cleaners Association, and our foremen have decades of experience cleaning facilities just like yours. Whether it's a small office or a sprawling medical center, we take pride in bringing our craftsmanship at a fair price to every job we do. First, we ensure the area is protected with drop cloths and protective sheeting. We remove the registers, wash them, and replace them after cleaning. The supply and return ductwork is thoroughly brushed and vacuumed to industry standards. The interior of the heating and air conditioning unit is meticulously washed to restore its heating and cooling capacity. We clean exclusively with HEPA vacuums, and we use filters designed for hospital settings. We take care to leave your facility exactly as we found it, except for the heating and cooling system, which will be cleaned throughout, providing your building space with sparkling clean air and happier occupants.